Cramer's Mad Dash as we count down to the opening bell, watching Intel and some of this guidance, Jim.
I'm going to start by saying I wanted to be positive. I wanted to come out here and say, you know what, Intel's got a really good second quarter coming. No, they do not have a good second quarter coming. They did say they have a good second half coming, but the analysts are very skeptical. The analysts are saying, listen, still too linked to the PC. PC salespeople are not good. Just put it right out there, are not good, and they're linked to the PC. They don't have a lot of the chips that you need in the higher end where they're losing share. They're very optimistic that things are going to turn around and the mobile ideal will be done. But the analysts aren't buying it anymore, Carl. They're just not buying it.
Revenue did come in ahead, and actually margins were ahead, despite the guidance.
But then the second quarter, it looks like, I would have expected a kind of stronger quarter, and the outlook for the second quarter is bad. So, it's very difficult to have first good, second bad. Don't worry about the second half. It's going to be great. So once again, I'm going to tell people, no. You don't want to buy it. And they have some of the problems that all the companies have in terms of China. But the unique issue here is the belief that maybe Pat Gelsinger is too positive about his own company. And that maybe if he just put his nose to the grindstone, maybe better.
Do you think it weighs on SMH or the stocks, or is this an outlier here?
I don't know. Texas Instruments was supposed to be an outlier, and that stock's had a nice run. AMD's had a nice run from 80 to 90. There's nothing here that made me feel like you should sell AMD.
Right.
NVIDIA, people are still very worried about gaming chips. I continue to think that NVIDIA has been overly punished, but I'm not pounding the table on it. The only one I'm pounding the table on is Qualcomm. Cristiano Amon, he came in here and told an amazing story about both cell phone and he told a story about auto. And you need to have auto, because auto is fabulous. And Intel has Mobile Eye, which they're going to spin off. But I think people are tired of Pat being as bullish as he is. But it's his attitude in life, and that's good. I mean, like the Jaguars are very bullish about how they're looking.